From World War I to 1933, Shame and Hunger. Before you start learning about the Holocaust, you need to know about some things that happened before 1933. The Holocaust began slowly when Germany was unstable in a lot of different ways. Some of these ways include 1. The German people were upset about losing World War I. 2. They felt poor and jobs were hard to find. 3. They hoped the government would solve their problems. 4. And they were suspicious of people who they thought were different. When World War I ended in 1918, Germany was blamed for starting the war. The Versailles Treaty that was signed after the war said the German government had to pay a lot of money for war damages. The people of Germany were furious. They thought it was unfair to have to pay so much money. They had a lot of damage in their country, and many Germans died in the war too. The German people were usually very proud of their country. After the treaty, they were embarrassed and ashamed. For a few years, Germany began to recover from the war. Banks in other countries, like the United States, loaned money to Germany to help. The German people pushed their anger aside. Then in 1929, the Great Depression began. The entire world was hurt by the Depression. After the stock market crash in 1929, businesses closed and people lost their jobs. By 1932 in the United States, for every 100 people old enough to work, 25 of the people did not have a job. This means that there was a 25% unemployment rate. When the Great Depression began, the banks decided to call in their loans. To call in a loan means they wanted their money back now. Many Germans got angry about the treaty again because Germany's war debt meant the government could not help its own people. In the early 1930s, even more people were out of work in Germany than in the United States. The German unemployment rate went as high as 42%. People were unable to pay their bills. It took a lot of money to buy food, so most families were hungry. At the end of 1932, there was an election in Germany. The government in power was weak, and people were unhappy. They wanted change quickly. Several people were running for president, including Adolf Hitler. He told the people that he would make them proud of Germany again and give them a better life. Hitler made a lot of promises that sounded good, even simple ones like promising people bread and jobs. He also told people that Jewish people were the real problem. The hard times were not caused by Jewish people, but Hitler knew it would help him win votes. There were very few Jews in Germany, and some people already considered them different. People often look for people who seem different to blame when there are problems. Falsely blaming other people for a problem is called finding a scapegoat.